In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Calendar with Monday.com. We'll use Zapier to connect the two so events in your calendar can automatically create or update items in Monday.com. This saves time and keeps your team aligned without manual copying. Start by heading to Zapier.com and signing into your account. Once you're in, create a new Zap and begin by setting up the trigger. The trigger is what starts the automation. In the app search, type Google Calendar and select it when it appears. Next, choose the trigger event that fits your workflow, such as when a new event is created or when an event is updated. If you're unsure, new event is a good default that catches anything added to the calendar. Now connect your Google Calendar account. Zapier will prompt you to grant permission. Make sure you pick the correct Google account and calendar, especially if you manage multiple calendars. Click continue, then run a test trigger. Zapier will pull a recent event so you can see real data moving through your Zap. If nothing shows up, add a quick test event to your calendar and try again. With the trigger set, move to the action step, click to add an action and search for Monday.com. Select the Monday.com app, then choose what you want Zapier to do, commonly create item or create sub-item. Think about where these items should land, a specific board and group within Monday.com. If this is your first time connecting, sign into your Monday.com account and authorize Zapier to access your workspace. Click continue and configure the action. This is where you map fields from Google Calendar to Monday.com columns. A typical setup maps the event summary to the item name, the event description to a long text column, the start and end times to date or timeline columns, and the location to a location or text column. If your Monday.com board has status, people, or drop-down columns, you can set defaults or map values from your calendar if they exist. Use the sample data pulled by the trigger to confirm that each field is filling in correctly. When everything looks right, click Test. Zapier will send a test item to your Monday.com board. Check that the item appears as expected with dates formatted correctly and details in the right columns. If something is off, return to the mapping, adjust the fields, and test again. And that's it. You've connected Google Calendar with Monday.com using Zapier so your events can seamlessly populate your boards and keep your projects organized.